Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free trial access to streaming and other services through your local internet service provider promotions, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in to your internet service provider's customer portal or account management website using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Offers, Benefits, or Partner Services section of your account dashboard. ISPs often list available promotional offers in these areas. Step 3. Browse through the current promotions to find free trial offers for streaming services, security software, cloud storage, or other digital subscriptions. Step 4. Click on the promotion that interests you to view the full details, including the length of the free trial and any terms or conditions. Step 5. Click Activate or Claim Offer to begin the process of linking the free trial to your ISP account. You may need to verify your identity through your account information. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account with the service provider or link your existing account to the ISP benefit program. Step 7. Complete any required verification steps, which may include entering your ISP account number, confirming your service address, or providing additional contact information. Step 8. Once activated, you can access your free trial immediately. These promotions often remain active as long as you maintain your internet service with the provider, though some may have time limits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.